Hi. So this is awkward. Let me put this down. Maybe that's gonna help. Okay, so I wanted to come on to say that I've decided to start vlogging. I feel like this has been a long time coming. You can't even see my face. Hold up. This is not working out. How do I balance this better? Oh, maybe this is gonna help. There we go. Better. So, I feel like this has been a long time coming because I started sort of mini vlogging my weekends on Instagram. So I would do that on Insta stories and I love it. Really love it. I love interacting with you guys. And I have to remind myself not to look up there and look down here. Okay, but you know, we just started this thing. Anyways, so really loved it, and a lot of people were like, oh my god, you should vlog, you should vlog. So I started considering it, but I didn't really want to start vlogging because, I mean, vlogging I find is a little personal, you know? You share so much of your life. It's been in my mind for a while, and I decided, you know what? I think I may actually enjoy this. And on top of that, the reason why I felt like this would really work out is because I need to be held accountable for my actions. If you don't know, I'm very inconsistent with a lot of things that I do, and it's at me. It's one of the areas in my life that I know I want to improve, and so I think vlogging will keep me consistent, not only with content, but consistent with things that I say I want to do in my personal life that I fall off, like working out. Yes, the purpose of me starting a vlog is to connect more with you guys, but also hold myself accountable for things that I want to do. I mean, I'm picking the perfect time to introduce this vlog while I have this face mask on. I look a little crazy, but that tells you the kind of vlog we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing real life, okay? This is not gonna be polished and beautiful, because half the time this is what I would look like, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. You know, I like to dress up, but I also like to chill out. I'm excited. If you guys are interested to know what I use, I got the Sony a6400 and I've been eyeing it for a long time. I did a ton of research on the best vlogging camera, and there's so many different cameras out there, but that's the one that I chose to go with. I hope everything is being recorded properly. This is my first time using it. I also got a mic and a little tiny tripod so that we can do this vlogger style, okay? It's gonna be weird holding the camera, I think, but I'll get used to it. We'll figure this out. So right now I am baking banana bread. Ooh, I guess I may as well just show you what I'm doing. So we got some banana bread in the oven. I have 9 minutes left to go, and then once it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm most likely just gonna chill tonight, watch a movie, and yeah. So today's Saturday, October 5th. And this is Jen J's Vlogs. And there you go. Woo woo, this is dinner. We have ourselves some nice banana bread. And we also have, yeah, a little bit of grape juice. And yes, I still have this mask on. I'll share the recipe I used down below. I didn't come up with this. I can't take all this credit. But it's good. This looks like it's an interesting movie. We're not gonna watch that though. Scary. Gotta be in the mood. But what we're gonna watch, actually I added it on my list. We're going to watch. I thought I added it. Did I not? Oh no, I didn't add it. We're gonna watch What Men Want. I saw it earlier. Jen, what did you do? There it is. That's what we're gonna be watching with my girl, Taraji. I love her. That's my night, y'all. So the next day, I spent all my time filming, and for some reason, I recorded in slow motion. I cannot make this up. If I speed it up, really, it looks like it's fine, but I have no sound. Absolutely no sound. So everything looks like this. And honestly, it looked like we're having a nice, deep conversation. Unfortunately, I have no idea what I talked about. I don't remember. Look at my face. We talked about some deep stuff. It pains me a little bit. The old gen would have just chucked all the footage, not even talk about it. But the new gen, it's like, this is still quality content. Anyways, it appeared that we went through our skin routine. We talked about self-care. I showed you all the products that I use for my skin, things that really helped me out. And to be honest, it's almost like therapeutic watching this footage a little bit. My skin has come such a long way, you guys. Drink your water, be consistent with your skin routine, and look at this. This is my skin. And if you don't know, I've had really, really bad acne. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.